Hi, this is Murray from the Icebreaker team. I just wanted to tell you a quick 60-second story about a woman called Beverley who we had contact with in Christchurch. She had several investment properties and two of them were contaminated by ice because tenants had smoked or made it in the house. The main one that was the maximum damage after the insurance payout, which was nowhere near the cost, she incurred at least $57,000, close to $60,000 with a loss of rent as well. It was off the market for months, a major trauma of fixing it and knowing how to fix it, getting the right people to do it and restoring it and getting certificates to say it was okay to live in now. So what would that do to you if you had an investment property that cost you $57,000 to $60,000 and all the trauma of fixing it for months as well? It's not worth it. Install an Icebreaker. You can email us by replying to the email. You can click on the opportunity where you can book a call with us, or you can go straight to the website and buy. Love to talk to you.